Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down a little and find other wireless connection. And here on the very first position we've got personal hotspot. So let's click that. And if you want to activate the personal hotspot, simply click on the switcher here. And from now on, the personal hotspot is activated. What's more, you can also customize the personal hotspot. For example, you can set another name. Let me change that. Okay, we can change the password. Remember to make the password as complicated as you can. And remember that it has to have at least 8 characters. Let's click on save. And as you can see, we've just changed our name and the password. Here you've got also connection management, and here you can see the blacklist or the maximum allowed connections, or you can set the data restrictions. So let's get back. And that's all. This is how you customize the personal hotspot. And after the whole customization, if you want to have faster access to the hotspot, simply unroll the top bar once and twice. Then let's go right. And here you've got the personal hotspot icon. If you want to turn it off, simply click on it. And now it is off. So that's all. This is how you set the personal hotspot in OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.